Hello from Slovenia again. I'm playing with this kind of a bloom that it's not a bloom because I don't have house paint, I don't have Australian Floetrol, I just mix my colors with Owatrol Floetrol. And my cell activator is a little thinner than other paints with more Owatrol Floetrol, so I mixed 3:1 the colors for the bloom, kind of. You see they are kind of thick. This is iridescent yellow, green yellow or yellow green, iridescent gold, permanent red violet, permanent blue violet, and white for the base. And the cell activator I mixed 4:1, 1 part paint, 4 parts Floetrol, and I thinned it down with water. I don't have the whole lot of colors, but I didn't want to go crazy, and I like green and purple together, so we will work with that today. I have some blobs that I have to take out. My white is almost, you know, when your bottles of paint are on, that they are kind of almost empty, you get some things into your paint because paint dries on the sides of the bottle. Have to torch this. And I will use this probably. I bought this from Paint Pour store. I hope that they still have it, otherwise probably you can find it somewhere else. So, and I will use hair dryer too. And I really don't want to have too much paint. I think that I tend to add too much paint for this technique. This is just my thoughts, I don't know. I will try to add a little less today. I'm working on 10 by 12 inch canvas, so I don't know, just playing. I had 2 cell activators ready, but I think that I will use just white. Okay. Just wanted to make this a little bigger because I will use a hair dryer. Wow, I like that. Like these green cells. I like that I don't have too much lacing, but still have some. I wish that I would have a little more here. So maybe I will just blow here with the hair dryer once again and maybe, but I don't want to lose those. Let's see if I try to blow with the straw here. Just trying to get a little more cells here, not too much, but let's just wait for a second. And I want to spin this out quite a lot, so I will not add any paint around, because I think that I should be able to stretch this. I probably will lose some of this, but let's do that. Just need a little paint here to help this flow over. Oop. Okay. Just checking the sides. And I see something. And I like that I got some white left from my base. I'm not mad about that at all. I'm kind of tempted to tilt a little more of this off, spin. So I will just put my canvas a little more to this side. You see, it's more to this side, and spin again. Just a little more. I want to kind of get rid of that part if I can. And more that I'm spinning, more these little dots from the air bubbles coming out, and I'm not sure if I like that. So maybe I should mix my paints before to get rid of the air bubbles. I just mixed them before I started, and you see those white speckles, or how can I say? Okay, I will stop now. Get rid of this paint here, and I'm done. I like it. So here is a close-up. I will not be able to show the dried results today, but you know what? I will do another one, and I will add a little more paint. The colors, not the paint. I had enough paint, but I will add a little more colors, and I will maybe throw in some black cell activator too. And we will see the comparison, and maybe I can do one with the opposite order, to have the green on the top and the purples on the bottom, to see the difference. I don't know where the gold went, but I'm happy with it. It's kind of like a star or something, I don't know, supernova thing for my taste, I don't know. It just, yeah. Okay, so this was it for today. Check out the video, the next video, if you want to see the comparison. And probably this one will be dry already, since the next one, I believe, on Sunday. So yeah, kind of like it. Not kind of, I like it. But I would love to have, you know, because I don't use the Bloom recipe, I believe that this is the thing. I get a little, way more white from the base out than if you would use the ingredients for the bloom. So maybe more colors would make the difference. We will see. If you don't try, you don't know. So I will try it. I will do that for my next video, so if you are interested, don't forget to check that one out. And see you again on the next one. Bye!